Walmart commercial number 147. Great value window cleaner, and 13 cents a piece if you buy 100 of them. Microfiber towels. And so you start on about 50 years worth of grease and grime on an old Ford pickup. And it's a 1954. And this firewall is all completely original. It has the original wiring on it yet. All the components underneath this hood are 100% original. Nothing's been restored here. I'm just starting to clean it with Windex. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. You know, the old wiring harnesses and everything like that. And yeah, there's some dust and stuff like that. I gotta clean that out very carefully. No pressure washers or anything. It's the original 239 Y block. The first year after the flathead, 239 Y block V8. 2-barrel carburetor on it with an oil bath air cleaner. I need to clean the air cleaner up. Hasn't taken in enough dust in the last 10 years I've driven it to bother replacing any elements or anything. The exhaust manifolds, valve covers, block, entire engine is original. The only thing that's been done is it was overhauled at about 90,000, and it has about 140,000 on it now, and it was overhauled about 2,000 miles ago again. And the second overhaul didn't require a boring. They just put in new rings and just oiled the whole thing up and just got it purred like a kitten. So this vehicle is completely as it came from Ford in 1954 underneath, with the exception right here, that is a late model fuel filter because the tank sometimes lets some shit go. Okay, so things happen. New hoses, of course. Radiators original. Front grille, all original. Front bumper, the original bumper, 25 years on the farm, hooking chains around the outside of it, pulling equipment. It was pulled, and it's still, these hooks here are for a tow hitch, and I hooked that tow hitch up, which I did for 20 years on the farm, and I still pull it today with the tow hitch. All this is original. But I've been tinkering a little bit with the carburetor and stuff, and interior is all original. I got a big cover that it sits for the winter under. Keep that off. I put in new upholstery, but that's the only thing that, and new door panels. All the glass is original. All the window seals are original. None of this glass has ever been taken out of this vehicle. So anyway, let's see if it runs. Yeah, should have gotten that out of here before that. Oops, I'm in gear. Yeah, that one started bad at me. It says, "What the fuck you doing to me?" Okay. Says either you know me or you don't. Now you knew after I killed on you because of your stupidity. Okay. Put it on the tray. Make sure. I gotta do some oil in there.